Hi, my name is Dave Nielsen from Cloud Camp, and I'm here with Mike Collier, a software architect from Centric Consulting out of Columbus.
Yes.
And in fact, I believe Centric Consulting was a sponsor of Cloud Camp last year.
Yes, it was.
Well, thank you very much for your support.
Pleasure.
So we were talking earlier about cloud computing, and as a software architect, I'm sure you think about scenarios all the time. What's a common scenario for applications in the cloud?
I think social media applications are a really great candidate to use cloud computing. They face a lot of challenges in just getting out to market very quickly, and then commonly have a lot of scalability issues to deal with as well.
Right. So what's an example maybe of a social media application?
Well, Outback Steakhouse was able to leverage Facebook and Windows Azure to help get their application out to market very quickly, so they could get their customers to come on and be a fan on their Facebook page so they can get their bloomin' onions.
Yeah, because you're going to want those bloomin' onions.
I do.
So, but now, Outback Steakhouse, not the first social media company that rolls off your tongue, but I imagine that traditional businesses can use social media just like any other startup.
Exactly.
Right. Okay. Yep. So, how would the Outback get started? Like, what is it that they would do in order to be able to accommodate this flash or flood of social media consumers?
They could easily go out to the Windows Azure portal, and they could easily then just scale up their number of instances that they have. So they could easily just go along and scale up very easily, and then also kind of ramp back down again when their load kind of tapers off a little bit.
Okay, right. We were talking about this. So as the visitors come to the website, you need more capacity so you can spin up new instances or compute power. Whereas with a traditional model, you might have only had enough servers to meet this kind of capacity, and by the time you react, maybe you overreact, but too late, and so you've missed all of these customers here. And on top of that, probably starting about here, your existing customers have trouble.
Exactly.
So with cloud computing, you're able to meet your existing customers' needs and capture the new customers. All right, very good. So if you're a developer or a business who wants to engage in social media using the cloud, where would you go to get started?
Well, a great place to go would be out to windowsazurepass.com. And from there, you can get a 30-day free trial on using Windows Azure. And I think you'll need a promo code.
Yep, and I've got a promo code for you. So you can use Dave on Azure. And you'll get that 30 days. And well, thank you very much for joining us. And thank you for joining me on Dave on Azure.